much smaller. But now, that doesn't matter. Walaikum salam. 好吃吗？好吃。All the workers are busy in making skewers and chopping the meat. 这个。
羊肉串是吗？
Yeah. I'm gonna eat it and I'm gonna tell you the difference in between this one and the one we ate before. I like it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day.
Welcome to Niujie Street, one of Beijing's most historic and vibrant Muslim neighborhoods. The name Niujie means Ox Street, a nod to its long history as a hub for halal beef and lamb trade. For over 1,000 years, this area has been a heart of Beijing's Muslim community, blending Chinese and Islamic traditions in its food, culture, and daily life. Take in the sights and smell around you. Niujie is famous for its authentic halal cuisines. You will see bakeries selling sanza, which is crispy fried dough, shops with stacks of naan breads, and restaurants serving steaming bowls of hand-pulled beef noodles. The street has a lively, welcoming atmosphere where locals and visitors come to enjoy some of Beijing's best Muslim flavors. As we explore, you will see how Niujie preserves its heritage while embracing modern Beijing. From century-old recipes to the mosque's peaceful courtyards, every corner tells a story. Let's dive deeper and maybe try some yang rochuar, lamb skewers, along the way.
But before going further, I want to go to the Muslim halal meat shop. Let's see. They are selling the Muslim halal food. Hello, 你好。
你好，
这些新鲜的吗？新鲜的，
都是今天
都是新鲜。这里都是新鲜的。
清真哈拉的，
halal 的多少钱了？
对，哈拉
Whole street.
Yeah.
我可以拍你
拍我吗？
啊，
拍个肉得了，
都是。
可以。
好。Okay, so this
哪
is
里来朋友？
我是巴基斯坦的，你是
哇，巴铁呀！
你是新疆的还是北京的？
我不是北京的，我们是南大门的。
门的门济南的。
南大门8环，北京有6环，我们是8环。
OK， 8环的。好，我可以进来吗？
可以。
好，
来把他们拍的漂亮帅气一点啊！
Hello everyone.
你好。
Hi， 你好。Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Happy to see you. So here we can see the all halal meat here. So all the workers are busy in making skewers and chopping the meat and making the mincing the meat and making it small slices, putting on sticks. His name was Madhu and he was telling me about the shop and it's been 8 years they are selling the halal meat here. The meat is coming from Inner Mongolia, which is halal as per what he said. And now we are going to move further and see and explore further what kind of I heard a lot of like snacks and meat and the buns, the meat buns. I want to explore everything today because I am too much hungry.
Back in the Tang dynasty, like over 1200 years ago, Arabs and Persian traders rolled into China along the Silk Road. Some settled in Beijing, and guess what? They really loved beef and lamb. So this area became the go-stop for halal butchers. That's why it's called Niujie, Ox Street. It was basically medieval Beijing's meat-packing district. By the Song Dynasty 996 AD, the community built Niujie Mosque, still standing today. It's wild to think this neighborhood has been serving lamb and skewers and baozi for longer than some countries have been existed. The Hui people, Chinese Muslims, made Niujie their cultural headquarters. Even emperors respected this area. They needed their halal snacks, and because Muslims ran businesses here, Niujie became a buzzing trade spot.
Well, I don't think that I will have chance to buy anything from here. I didn't have breakfast, I didn't have lunch because I thought I will come here and I'll eat something. But after coming here, I realized that it's all crowded and it's too much. You know, you can see a lot of people here. You can see the crowd and what amazing vibe is here. And here are the famous cakes. You can see the cakes behind me, and there is a long queue. I really want to buy the cake, but I don't know how to get there. Probably I need to wait for a while to get the cake. For each and everything, we can see very long queue. For example, look at this one.
Okay, this is Niujie's most famous beef baozi shop, Beef Bun shop. And that's the line tell us everything. People wait ages for these juicy halal beef stuffed buns, and honestly, worth it. The dough perfectly fluffy, the meat spiced just right, and that aroma, pure torture if you are hungry.
Probably it's weekend, that's why it's too much crowded. But that person from the meat shop, he told me that it's every day like this.
So here is a quick tip. Weekdays morning are slightly less crazy, but if you see the line moving fast, jump in. These sell out very fast.
So that's an amazing view you can see behind me. It's crazy, right? It seems like everyone is too much hungry. It's almost 2 o'clock, which is like almost closing time for the lunch. But I see like here people are still too much, crazy. And you know what? Halal meat, halal food, that's the advantage of the halal food, that everyone can eat it. There's no need to be Muslim for that. And here, the beef and mutton slices. But that's also raw meat. Let's go to the other side and explore there. Let's see what we can find here. And you see here, it's the same thing. You can see the crowd here. There are long queues. I don't think that we will have chance to buy something here, but let's try. Okay, so now I'm in the queue and I want to buy this meat buns. And I heard a lot about it. It's so delicious, and I'm so hungry right now. So definitely I would like to try that. You see, like So many people around. Let me give you a higher look. Well, I really wanted to try it first, but it seems like I should go for the mosque first, because I don't think it's gonna be like our turn like so soon, and I think I should go ahead for the mosque. Okay, the map says the mosque direction is this one, so I'm following the map only because I have never been to this mosque before. Probably this is the mosque, but it seems closed, or maybe under construction, because I can see here the construction curtains and construction material. But let's find out. Here is also mentioned, I think, not to dear brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum. The Niujie Mosque is a key national level protected cultural heritage site to enhance the protection of these precious cultural relics, safeguard a safe building within the mosque to provide a secure Muslim prayer with the approval of the National Cultural Heritage Administration. The Niujie Mosque has been undergoing a 3 years restoration work since from 1924. Okay, so it's under construction or restoration in strict compliance with the safety regulation. Unrelated individuals are strictly prohibited from entering the mosque area during the renovation period. All religion activities are temporarily suspended and the mosque will remain closed to the public. So the mosque is right now is closed, so we are not able to get inside, and I won't be able to show you inside. As you can see the mosque. So you can see different kind of snacks here. The burgers, the buns, the sweet and the salty one. And there's a chicken. 哎，你好，这些新进的吗？
清蒸的哥。
新进的。有圈儿吗？
什么？
有圈儿吗？圈儿。
圈儿是什么意思？
那个。这个。
羊肉串是吧？
耶。
有的。
有吗？
2块钱一个。
OK， 来一个。
来烤一个，需要吃要辣椒吗哥？
要辣椒。
好嘞。这个你没关系，没事。
微信吗？
微信我扫描。
这鸡多少钱一只啊？不能这鸡。这儿不三黄鸡
68个，这是38，这68。
这边有三黄鸡。
你猜我吗？
我扫描一个，超过黄鸡。等我看看还有什么吃的。
So for 61, I bought one skewer, which I showed her that I want this one. Lamb skewer is also halal, and I want to try this one here. And after this, I will be going further to try different other food. But I am concerned I'm only concerned about the crowd. You see, the crowd is too much crowded there that side. So I need to find something which I can quickly get because I just want to try. And my mouth is watering already. Sorry, yeah. Here they have different kind of snacks like
快来什么呀？
这牛肉吗？这是什么卖啊？
大牛肉82，
82一斤
一斤。
还是一公一斤？
对。
Okay, so this is beef, and beef is for 82. 82 RMB for each in means quarter. Alright, so this is the time I need to try this lamb skewer. I have heard about it a lot, and finally it's the time. But one thing, it looks okay, excuse me. So it looks much bigger in the pictures, in the photos, but apparently, like right now, actually it looks it's much smaller. But now that doesn't matter. The matter is the taste. That's what I'm going to try. Let's try. Super delicious and so soft, so like creamy, very easy to chew, and there is no that kind of meat that we keep chewing and it doesn't break or something. This one is melting in my mouth, literally, and spicy because I asked them to put spices. I will buy more and I will take away for my home. I love it.